Hello students, this is Ujjwala Bhandiwad, lecturer from KLS Gokte PU College of Commerce and Science, Belagavi. In the data representation chapter, we have learnt different number systems and how to convert from one number system to another number system. In today's class, we are going to learn the next part, that is how to represent the negative numbers. Okay, there are actually three methods to represent the negative numbers. Students, you can see here, first method is sign and magnitude, second method is ones complement technique, third technique is twos complement method. Okay, for our syllabus we are having ones complement technique and twos complement technique. So let us learn what is ones complement technique. See here, in a ones complement technique, if any binary number is given to you, how to obtain ones complement technique is by changing each 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. This is the method. Okay, so let me show you with an example. So let us consider first example, how to convert a given binary numbers ones complement. Let me take 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 base 2. Okay, so this is the given binary number. So to convert it into ones complement, what I have to do? Simply change each 1 to 0 and 0 to 1. See here, now I am changing 1 to 0. Whenever 0 is there, write down 1. Whenever 1 is there, write down 0. 1 0 0 0 base 2. So this is the way in which we can convert from a binary number to ones complement technique. So now the second method is twos complement method. To get the twos complement method, first we have to obtain the ones complement of the binary number. Okay, then add 1 to the LSB. Okay, LSB of the digit means it is a least significant bit. Okay, let me show you this with the help of an example. Given example is 101101 base 2. Okay, what we have to do is we have to find the twos complement. So for that purpose, first obtain ones complement of 101101 is equal to 0 1 0 0 1 0. So this is the ones complement of given number. Okay, now what we have to do? Add 1 to LSB plus, see here, this is our least significant bit. So add here 0 plus 1 will give the answer 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 base 2. So now students, let us learn how to subtract with a ones complement method. Okay. To do that, we need to follow three important steps. Okay. Step 1 is, first we have to find ones complement of the given number. Okay. Second step is add this ones complement to the other number. Then finally, in the third step, we have to check the result for the carry. Okay. If there is a carry, there are two options here actually. If there is a carry, then add it to the LSB. If there is no carry, then we have to take ones complement of the result whatever we have obtained and place the negative sign. Okay. So students, you can just observe these three steps you need to follow whenever you are doing subtraction with the ones complement method. Let me show you this with the help of an example. Okay. See, let me consider one example. Subtract 4 to the base 10 from 9 to the base 10 by ones complement method. So 4 to the base 10. Okay. This, if I want to subtract by using ones complement method, first I have to convert it into binary number system. So its binary equivalent value is 0, 1, 0, 0 base 2. Okay. Similarly, 9 to the base 10 is equal to, its equivalent binary value is 1, 0, 0, 1 base 2. Okay. Now, ones complement of 0, 1, 0, 0 base 2. 0, 1, 0, 0 base 2 is equal to 1, 0, 1, 1 base 2. Okay. Now, this should be added with the given another number, that is 1, 0, 0, 1. Again, base will remain same. Okay. When I add, you can just see here, 1 plus 1 will give me the answer here 0. It is not 2 because we are adding in the binary number system. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. Carry will be 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. Again 1 plus 1 is 0. Carry will be 1. 1 plus, again 0 plus 0 is 0. Again 1 means here 1 comes. See here, 1 plus 1, okay, is equal to 0. Carry comes here. Okay. So let me write the carry here at the side. You can see this is the carry. If there is a carry, okay, follow the steps given, that we have to add this carry to the LSB of the result obtained. Okay. So this is the result obtained plus this one I have to take it to the LSB of this number. So here I will take and 1, 0, 1, 0 base 2. So in this way you have obtained the answer 0101, which is the value 5 in a decimal number system. Okay, in this methodology you can able to subtract by using ones complement method. Okay, so students, again with the more problems we will be covering in the next class. Thank you.